So basically what we are doing is that we have an initial agreement to put solar panels into 4 plants, of which HPC in our Sander, where we are today, is one of them. And all 4 of the installations will be complete by the end of April this year. So this particular plant has got an installed capacity of 400 kilowatt hours. Last month it produced 37,500 kilowatt hours of energy, and the plant used about 371,000 kilowatt hours of energy. So we supplied about 11% of the requirements of the plant during March. Load shedding has a significant impact on our business and our plants, and we obviously have learned to compensate. However, it is very disruptive and it's very expensive, and it adds a lot of extra costs and interruptions to our business. Our plan is to have all 29 of our plants on solar within 2 years of today. All of our plants have generator capacity with the exception of 1, which is going to be put in next month. And we're also looking at doing and investigating wheeling deals so that we can have a more consistent supply of solar in the future. This plant is complete, and we've used all the available space, roof space. That's given us the 400 kilowatt hours of solar, and we can't really do anything else at this point in this plant. We've got another initiative going on. So our solar is on the supply side. We've got an initiative going on in all of our plants, including this one, to look at all electrical usage or water usage, and that is bearing some very positive fruits, and we've seen good results over the last 18 months to 2 years with that program. So we look at anything and everything that can save us water and electricity. We've entered into a 15-year deal, a PPA agreement, with a company called Terra Firma, and we do it on a lease agreement. So we have not invested anything up front, but we have committed to a 15-year deal with Terra Firma.